next we have to construct the follow sets for the non terminals. So, the follow set will be like this. So, for I am writing in short follow of R equal to, so these sets are to be computed, follow of R dash, then follow of T, follow of T dash, then follow of F, follow of F dash and follow of P. So, these are the sets that I have to compute. Now, follow of R. So, if you look into the grammar, you see that R may be followed by this close parenthesis and the dollar being the start symbol. So, close parenthesis and dollar, they will come to the follow of R. Now, follow of R dash. So, if you look into this rule, it says whatever is in follow of R is in follow of R dash. So, this close parenthesis and dollar, they will be coming here. Now, follow of T. So, it says whatever is in first of R dash. So, if you look into this rule, it says whatever is in follow of R dash will be in the follow of T. So, follow of R dash has got plus. So, this follow of T will have plus here, and then first of R dash. So, R dash can give me epsilon. So, if this R dash is replaced by epsilon, in that case, so whatever is in follow of R dash will also be in follow of T. So, that way this follow of R dash has got close parenthesis and dollar. So, they will also come in the follow set of T. Now, follow of T dash. So, follow of T dash, whatever is in follow of T is in follow of T dash by this rule, T producing F T dash. So, this plus close parenthesis and dollar, they come to the follow of T dash. Now, comes follow of F. So, this says that whatever is in first of P is in whatever is in first of F dash will be in follow of P. So, first of F dash has got star. So, this follow of P will have star there. So, before that this follow of F. So, how to get this follow of F? So, follow of F it is given by this first of T dash. So, first of T dash has got this open parenthesis A B. So, this first of follow. So, whatever this first of T dash has got open parenthesis A B. So, they can come to the follow of F. So, this is basically first of T dash. So, open parenthesis A B, they can come to the follow of this set. Then follow of F dash. So, follow of F dash tells whatever is in follow of F will be in follow of F dash. So, what is there in follow of F? So, follow of F has got this open parenthesis A B. So, they will be in the follow of F dash, and this T dash can give me epsilon. So, whatever is in follow of T is also in follow of F. So, whatever is in follow of T has got this plus close parenthesis and dollar. So, they can also come in the follow of F. So, this plus close parenthesis and dollar, they can come in the follow of F. Now, this one. So, so whatever is follow of F is equal to follow of F, that is also there in follow of F dash. So, this plus close parenthesis and dollar. So, they will also come here, and then this P. So, P is appearing here. So, whatever is in first of F dash is in follow of P. So, first of F dash has got star. So, that I have written. Now, it says that this F dash can give me epsilon. So, whatever is in follow of F dash will be in the follow of P. So, follow of F dash has got all these symbols. So, they will all of them will come in the follow of P. So, all of them will come in the follow of P. Now, we have got this set of rules. Now, I can we can try to make the corresponding table. So, I have got this R, R dash, T, T dash, F, F dash and P, and I have got the symbols here, that is plus, star, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, then A, B and dollar. Now, we have to go rule by rule. So, first rule, it says R producing T R dash. So, I have to look into the first of T. So, first of T contains open parenthesis A B, there I have to add this rule. So, open parenthesis, so R producing T R dash, here also R producing T R dash, here also R producing T R dash. So, they have been added. Now, come to the second rule, R dash producing plus T R dash. So, that rule will be added here, R dash producing plus T R dash. Now, it says that R dash producing epsilon is there. So, whatever is in follow of R dash, there I have to add this R dash producing epsilon. So, follow up R dash has got this close parenthesis and dollar, there I have to add R dash producing epsilon, and here also I have to put R dash producing epsilon. So, these two are added. Now, come to the third rule, T producing F T dash. So, whatever is in first of F T dash, that is first of F. So, I have to add this rule. So, this T producing F T dash has to be added to first of F is open parenthesis. So, T producing F T dash, then A B. So, T producing F T dash, they are all added there, T producing F T dash has been added. Now, come to the fourth rule, T dash producing F T dash. So, it says that whatever is in first of F T dash, there I have to add these rules. So, first of F T dash has got first of F. So, there I have to add this rule. So, I have to add the rule T dash producing F T dash here, then here T dash producing F T dash, here also T dash producing F T dash. Now, there is a rule T dash producing epsilon. So, I have to look into the follow set of T dash. So, follow set of T dash has got plus close parenthesis and dollar, there I have to add this rule T dash producing epsilon, T dash producing epsilon, and here also T dash producing epsilon. So, this is done. Now, we come to this rule P f producing P f dash. So, whatever now have to see the first of P. So, first of P has got open parenthesis A B, there I have to add this rule. So, F producing P f dash, F producing P f dash, then this has got P has got open parenthesis A B. So, F producing P f dash, and here also F producing P f dash. So, they are added. Now, coming to this rule. So, first contains star. So, f dash star I should have this rule f dash producing star P f dash. Now, this f dash producing epsilon. So, I have to look into the follow set of f dash. So, follow set of f dash has got all these entries. So, there I have to add this rule. So, open parenthesis. So, f dash produces epsilon, then A f dash produces epsilon, B there I add this rule f dash producing epsilon, then plus f dash producing epsilon, then close parenthesis and dollar. So, dollar also I have to add f dash producing epsilon. So, this has been added. Now, come to this rule P within bracket R. So, this open parenthesis I have to add this rule. So, there I have to add the rule P producing within bracket R. Then coming to the second rule I have to add P producing A here, and coming to the third rule I have to put P producing B at this point. So, this is the construction of the predictive parsing table, LL1 parsing table, and here also you see that there is no duplicate definition, and since there is no duplicate definition, so we can say that the grammar is LL1. So, this grammar is LL1. Okay. So, this way whenever it is whenever we try to answer the question whether a grammar is LL1 or not. So, the safest way is to do this, and if the directly we need to construct the grammar. So, there also we can do it like that. Okay. Next we will be doing a few exercises on working on this LR parser. So, we have seen the LL parser examples. Next we will see some LR parser examples. So, in that category the first example that we take is for the grammar, a very simple grammar, S producing within bracket L or epsilon, and this L producing Ls or S. The question is to construct the SLR parsing table. Question is to construct the SLR parsing table. Now, this is the grammar G. Now, the first step of this construction, you know that we have to augment the grammar by introducing one more start symbol. So, by augmentation, so this is the grammar G given to us, we get the grammar G dash which has got an additional symbol S dash producing S, and then we have got the rest of the rules are there, S producing within bracket L or epsilon and L producing Ls or S. Now, I have to construct the LR0 sets of items. So, this is the first step. Second step is to construct the LR0 sets of items. This is the second thing to do, and for that matter what we do, we have to first the set is I0. So, the set I0 will have only one item in it, which is S dash, which initially will have only one item in it, S dash producing dot S, and then by the closure rule we know that we have to construct the closure, and for constructing closure, so I have to look for productions where left hand side is S, because there is an item here where S producing dot S. So, I have to look for productions which has got left side as S, and then apply the closure rule. So, this will give me this particular thing, okay, as another item, and since S producing epsilon is there, so that will give me S producing dot. So, this is the third grammar rule, the third item. So, these are the three items that I have constructed. Now, what are the other LR0 items? So, for that I have to see the go to parts. So, wherever there is a dot before any grammar symbol of any item, so I have to do a go to on that. So, we do it like this. So, we construct the set go to I0 S. Go to I0 S will give me S dash producing S dot. No other item has got dot before this before S. So, this is the thing, and after in this item. So, if even if you take closure, nothing is going to happen because dot is at the end, and this is a new item that we have got. So, let us name the item as I1. Okay. So, that is the item I1. Next, I have to construct other possible go to items. So, to go to I0 open parenthesis. So, I0 open parenthesis. So, this will give me S producing open parenthesis dot L close parenthesis, and since there is a dot before L. So, by closure I will get all these items, L producing, from this rule I will get L producing dot Ls, and I will get a L producing dot S, and then since I have got this L producing dot Ls, So, this particular rule, so that will give me again the same items, but this S producing dot S. So, this can give me 2 more items. One is S producing by this rule. Okay. So, S producing dot within bracket L, and another item is S producing dot. So, this is another new item that I have got. Let us name the new item as I 2. Now, from I 0 I cannot have any more go tos. From I 1 also there is no dot before any grammar symbol. So, I 1 also does not give any go to. From I 2, I have to see whether I can get something new. So, go to I 2 L, gives me S producing within bracket L dot. So, this is one item, and then another item that I get is L producing L dot S. So, this is another item. So, there is no other item where there is a dot before L. So, now nothing else comes, only thing is that now I have got this dot S. So, I have to look for grammar rules, and from there I will get the new items S producing within bracket dot within bracket L, then S producing dot. So, these two items will come. So, this is again a new item we have not yet generated. So, this is the item I 3. Okay. Now, go to I 2 L I have done. So, I 2 S. So, go to I 2 S will give me L producing S dot. There is no other item where I have got a dot before L. So, that is new item I 4. Now, go to I 2, then this open parenthesis, go to I 2 open parenthesis. So, this will give me S producing open parenthesis dot L, and then since there is a dot before L. So, it will be giving me all these rules again, all these items again. So, all those items will be coming here. So, this essentially gives me back I 2. So, go to I 2 open parenthesis is I 2 only. Now, go to I 2. So, I 2 I do not have anything else, I believe. So, this open parenthesis is done. Now, I have to look for this item I 3. Go to I 3, then this close parenthesis. So, that gives me S producing, that gives me the item S producing within bracket L, and the dot comes here. So, that is a new item that I have got, and that is I 5. Now, I 3 S, go to I 3 S. So, that will give me this L producing L S dot, L producing L S dot, and that is a new item. So, this is item I 6. Now, go to I 3 I 3 S I have done, I 3 open parenthesis. So, I 3 open parenthesis. So, this will give me the item S producing open parenthesis dot L, okay, and this as soon as this is there. So, I will get all these things. So, etcetera. So, that is same as I 2. Okay. Now, for the remaining items I 4, I 5 and I 6. So, there is no grammar symbol after the dot. Okay. So, they cannot give any more items. So, I have constructed the set LR0 sets of items I 0 to I 6, there are 7 cases. The next part of this parsing table construction is to get the follow sets for the grammar symbols. But for getting follow sets, we also have to get the first sets. So, again we do the first and follow computations. So, first of S dash, first of S and first of L. So, this is to be computed. First of S dash is same as first of S, and first of S is open parenthesis. So, this is there, open parenthesis is there, and first of L by this rule L producing S. So, you see it has got the same as the first of S. So, that is the first computation. Now, the follow computation, follow of S dash, then follow of S and follow of L. Okay. Now, follow of S dash, since S dash is the start symbol of the grammar. So, dollar is definitely there. Then for the follow of S, you see that whatever is in follow of S dash is in follow of S. So, whatever is in follow of S dash, so that is in follow of S. So, dollar is there, and you see from this rule you see whatever is in first of S is in follow of L. So, first of S has got this open parenthesis. So, follow of L has got this open parenthesis, and follow of L from this rule you see close parenthesis is also there. So, close parenthesis is there in the follow of L, and by this rule L producing S, whatever is in follow of L is in follow of S. So, this open parenthesis and close parenthesis they also come in the follow of S. So, this finishes the follow set computation. Next I have to find out the parsing table. Now, for making the parsing table we have to, the parsing table we will have two part, the action part and the go to part. So, this is the action part and this is the go to part. So, in the action part I will have the grammar terminals plus we have got two terminal symbols, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and the dollar that is always there. Now, as the rows I will have these items I 0, I 1, I 2. We can also write only the states 0, 1, 2, 3. So, also you can write this I 3, I 4 like that. So, I 4, I 5 and I 6. So, these are the items. Now, in this I 0, so you see this rule S producing dot within bracket L. So, that means, if I get this open parenthesis, I should do a shift operation, and that is shift by, and that will be a shift, and the to consult the go to part. So, go to dot I 0 open parenthesis is I 2, I 0 open parenthesis is I 2. So, this is shift 2. So, this is the rule that is that we get from this item I 0. Now, I 0 does I 0 also has got one rule which is S producing dot. So, I have to see the follow of S, and then I have to add it, I have to do the reduction by S producing epsilon for them. Okay. So, follow of S has got this dollar open parenthesis and close parenthesis, there I have to tell the reduction rules. So, this is reduction by rule number 3. So, this is our rule number 1, this is rule number 1, then rule number 2 is S dash producing within bracket L, rule number 3 is S dash producing epsilon, rule number 4 is L producing Ls, and rule number 5 is L producing S. So, always we will follow this convention. So, this is reduction by rule number 3, this is also reduction by rule number 3, and here also there is another action which is reduction by rule number 3. And so you see already we have got a shift reduce conflict here, that is I do not know getting an open parenthesis whether I should shift it or I should reduce by rule number 3. So, that is the problem. And the go to part, it will have the grammar non terminals S and L. So, on I 0 S, so I 0 S is I 1, so I will write 1 here. There is nothing like I 0 L, so nothing comes to the other one. So, that finishes the processing of I 0. So, I 0 is over. Now, this one I 2, so I 1, the item I 1. So, in item I 1, so I have got this S dash producing dollar. So, that means, so this S dash producing dollar S dash producing S dot, and then I have to look into the follow of S dash, and there I have to say accept. So, this is the accept. Now, go to now the set I 2. So, the set I 2 has got here there is a dot before open parenthesis. So, I should be doing a shift operation I 2 open parenthesis. So, this should be a shift, and I 2 this open parenthesis is I 2 only. So, this is shift 2, and again I have got this rule S producing dot. So, this reduced by 3 will also come, reduced by 3, and here I will get this reduced by 3, and here also there will be reduced by 3. Now, I 2 has got transition on L and S both. I 2 L is 3. So, I 2 L is 3 and I 2 S is 4. So, to add them here. Now, comes item I 3. In item I 3, so there is a dot before this close parenthesis. So, I have to do a shift on I 2 I 3 close parenthesis. So, this will do a shift, and I 2 I 3 close parenthesis is I 5. So, this is shift 5. Okay. So, this will be shift 5, and then this I 3 and then I have got this one I 3 has got this rule also, this item, the dot before open parenthesis. So, I 3 open parenthesis. So, this will be shift, this will also be a shift, and this I 3 open parenthesis is I 2. So, this is shift 2, and then I have got this S producing dot. So, all the reductions will come as we had earlier. So, this will be reduction by 3, this will be reduced by 3, this will be reduced by 3, and this I 3 S is 6. So, this is 6, and I 3 L does not have any transition. So, it is not possible. Now, come to I 4. So, this one I 4 L producing S. So, I have to look into the follow set of L. So, follow set of L has got open parenthesis and close parenthesis. So, there I have to apply this rule, this L producing S, that is rule number 5. So, this will be reduced by rule number 5, and this will also be reduced by rule number 5. Now, come to I 5, it has got this particular rule, that is rule number 2, and I have to look into the follow set of S. So, follow set of S has got dollar open parenthesis close parenthesis. So, there I have to add like reduce by rule number 2, reduce by rule number 2, reduce by rule number 2. Now, come to I 6. So, I 6 has got L S dot, that is rule number 4, and there I have got this follow set of L is open parenthesis and close parenthesis. So, I have to reduce by rule number 4 and reduce by rule number 4. So, this way you can construct the SLR parsing table for this particular grammar. So, it has got shift reduce conflicts in it. So, naturally we have got the grammar is not SLR, okay, but we can reduce, we can try to resolve this conflict somehow by adding some domain knowledge on this grammar. Okay. So, we will continue with the examples in the next class.